This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. We're waiting for our postman. Come on. Big box. Do you think we've missed him? I don't think so. Our postman is called Jamie. Whenever we see him in our street, we always window wave at him, and he always window waves back.
Lunch is ready, Topsy and Tim. Wash your hands. Super wash, please.
We're coming! In a minute!
Now, please, twins.
But, Mummy... Oh, we still haven't window waved Jamie. He's here! Look, it's Jamie! And look, he's in his van! Hello, Jamie! Wait, Topsy, wave! Yeah, we've got a window wave, Mummy! Wow, Jamie's got a very big box, Mummy. And it's coming towards our house.
Let me see.
The box is for us. I hope it's full of teddies. Or 100 footballs. Oh no! He's wheeling it next door. Not fair.
The box must be for Mr. and Mrs. Fishwick.
I wanted that big box to be for us. Me too.
Oh, never mind, Topsy and Tim. Let's go through to the kitchen and have our lunch. Come on. Juice, good girl. Help yourself to carrots too, remember?
I wish that big box was ours. I'll go.
No, it's all right. I'll go. You two stay and eat. Oh, hi. How are you?
Hi, thanks. Could I leave this box for Mr. and Mrs. Fishwick with you? There's no one home next door.
Yes, of course.
Topsy,
It's heavy.
Mummy's talking to Jamie the postman. Come on, quick. It's the big box.
Thanks for taking this in for Mr. and Mrs. Fishwick, Joy. I knew I could count on you, Topsy and Tim.
Yes, we'll help. Hi, Jamie.
Hi.
We'll look after the box.
Can you sign for it, please?
Yeah, of course.
Thanks.
Thanks, Jane.
Thanks very much.
Bye.
Bye.
Heavy. How will Mr. and Mrs. Fishwick know that their big box is here, Mummy?
Well, the postman's put a note through their door, and that'll let them know. Come on, back to the table, finish your lunch.
I don't want to have any lunch. I'm going to guard the box.
Come on, Tim.
Coming. Can I have a roll and some ham, please? After lunch, we play with the box. It's a chattering teeth box. Yay! And then we wait for Mr. Fishwick to get home. Yes! Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Topsy and Tim!
Mr. Fishwick!
I don't suppose you've seen a great big box, have you?
See you, Mr.
Oh,
Fishwick.
there it is.
We've been looking after it really, really well.
Thank you. I can always rely on Topsy and Tim to be good, helpful little neighbours.
Yes, you can.
Now, do you want to know what's inside the box? I'll give you a clue.
A rabbit?
Not quite, no, but it is for my rabbits.
A rabbit racing car? A rabbit space rocket?
Not quite. I'll tell you what, if you help me open the box, then we can all see what's inside. So just mind yourself. Let's get it tipped over this way.
The other way, I think.
That's
might
all
be
right.
better.
Okay.
One
There we
with
are.
their feet.
Oh, careful.
There we are.
Push it back to Mr. Fishwick.
Yeah, okay. Now then, that's it. There we are.
Mummy, look!
Good done.
Good, right to the edge. Oh, there. Now then.
Bubble wrap? Another box?
Ah,
A box in a box?
well, it's a special sort of box. Now, let me get here and Mummy can help me get it out.
Ready?
Okay, and over like that. There.
It's a rabbit hutch!
Yeah. You see, one of my rabbits, Hoppity, is going to have babies soon, so she needs a bigger hutch.
Wow. How many baby rabbits will Hoppity have?
Well, I don't know, Topsy. We'll just have to wait and see. Right, now I need to get this hutch home, so thank you all again. Could you give me a hand, Joy? Okay,
Of course, Mr.
up we
Fishwick.
go.
Oh,
Mind your head there, Tim.
I've just got to step over. Oh, thank you, you two.
All right.
Perfect.
Let's flip the box that way. There we are. Okay, let me get the door.
Mr. Fishwick,
Yes?
if you don't need this empty box, please may we keep it? We really like it.
Of course you can. I mean, you've been so helpful. Oh, yeah, that's okay.
Of course you can.
Yay! Thanks, Mummy. Thanks, Mr. Fishwick. Boing, boing, boing. We pretended we were rabbits, and our big cardboard box was our hutch. Then the doorbell went again. Come on, Tim.
Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Fishwick. Hello, Mr. Fishwick.
Hello again, Topsy and Tim.
Hello, Mrs. Fishwick.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Look, we've brought someone to say another big thank you.
Wow. Is this Hoppity?
No, she's at home, resting.
This is Reggie, Hoppity's friend. Say hello.
Hello, Reggie. Do you want to come and play in our box? It's not a box anymore, Tim, is it? It's a rabbit's hutch. Oh, yeah. Come on.
All right, off we go. See if Reggie likes it. Careful now, gently.
Oh, here we go. Okay.
Here we are. There we go.
So soft. I wish we had a pet rabbit, Mummy. Me too.
It's very soft, isn't it?
Yeah. And that's when Mummy said, when we move house, there'll be enough room for a rabbit hutch in our garden.
When we move house, there'll be enough room for a rabbit hutch in our garden, Topsy and Tim.
Yay! We'd love a baby rabbit, Mummy.
Aw.
Please. Can we have one?
Well, I shall be looking for good homes for Hoppity's babies soon.
Double, please.
Okay, that's settled then. You can have a pet rabbit when we move house.
Yay! And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we looked after a big box for Mr. Fishwick. Can you remember what was inside the big box? Was it 100 footballs? Or was it a rabbit hutch? The answer is behind the clouds. Look, the answer is a rabbit hutch. Watch this.
Well done!
scoot right to the edge. Oh, there. Now then.
Another box?
Ah,
A box in a box?
well, it's a special sort of box. Now, let me get here and Mummy can help me get it out.
Round here for me, Topsy. Ready?
Okay.
Oh. What is it? It's a rabbit hut! Great game! That was good fun. See you soon!